If you want to join paths in GIMP, I'll show you the exact steps to merge them properly and connect the nodes cleanly. This is a super useful technique when you're building logos, shapes, tracing objects, or editing vector-style paths, and want everything to behave like one connected path instead of separate pieces. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy GIMP tips and tutorials. Let's start with the first part, because in GIMP, you can't just connect any two paths right away. The separate path layers need to be brought together first. So open your Paths dialog. If you don't see it on the screen, go up to Windows, then Dockable Dialogs, and then click Paths. That will bring the Paths panel into view. Now look through the list of paths and find the ones you want to join. If a path is visible, it will usually have the eye icon turned on. Click the eye icon next to the paths you want to combine so they are visible. If there are any paths you do not want to join, leave those hidden for now. This step matters because GIMP will only merge the visible paths. Once the correct paths are showing, right-click on any one of the visible paths in the list. From the menu, choose Merge Visible Paths. This will combine those separate paths into a single path group inside the Paths dialog. At this point, they are still separate segments, but now they are together in one active path layer, which is exactly what you need before linking the nodes. Now that the paths have been merged, the next step is to connect the actual path segments. To do that, select the Paths tool from the toolbox. You can also press the B key as a shortcut. After selecting it, click directly on the path on your canvas. When you do that, the anchor nodes should appear and they will show up in red, so you can edit them. Before connecting anything, check the Tool Options panel on the left side and make sure the mode is set to Design. This is important because design mode lets you place and edit nodes properly. If the mode is set incorrectly, the node connection may not work the way you expect. Now click the first end node that you want to connect. That node should become active. Then hold down the Ctrl key and click the second end node that you want to join to it. When you hover over a valid node while holding Ctrl, you should see a small icon that looks like two overlapping circles. That means GIMP recognizes it as a connectable point. As soon as you click the second node, GIMP will draw a new segment line between them. That line bridges the gap and successfully joins the paths together. If the connection doesn't look right, just undo and try again with the correct nodes. The key is making sure you are connecting the endpoints you actually want to merge. And that's it. You've now learned how to join paths in GIMP by first merging the visible paths and then connecting the nodes with the Paths tool. This is a really helpful skill for cleaner vector work, shape editing, and precise design projects inside GIMP. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.